Hello there and welcome to Vermin Hunters TV with me, Si Pitway. Today on the show we've got the Ratworks Reaper out and we're going to be going around this permission and hopefully getting a few rabbits. On top we've got the GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition camera and that's what I'll be using to do the filming with. So stay tuned and enjoy the episode. Look at that, 2 rabbits with 1 shot. That's the first time I've done that. Done rats, but never rabbits. Right, so here's them 2 rabbits then. What you witnessed my shot, or shoot I should say, with 1 pellet. So this is the one I was aiming at. Oh, you can see he's hit really cleanly. So it's gone in one side and looks like it's come out his eye. And the other one was next to him, heads were facing, and that one's a perfect brain shot as well. It just got in one side, but enough penetration, and it was probably about 20 metres to go through them both, so that's quite a bonus. Got him. He was on my first 0. So nice. Just rested on this horse thing here, this plastic thing. It's not that steady, but I managed it. So first 0 is about 14 metres. Well, it's actually 14.4 with the near and far calibration data I'm using. There he is. Oh, what a shot. 2 mil dots of old over on ×7. Reaper just absolutely nailed that rabbit. Hopefully you can see that. Obviously I'm using the GoPro. Yet again, Reaper power. Yeah. Got him. Over he went. 1.5 mil dots of old over that was. So I'm pleased with that. 47 metres. So I'm going to stalk up to where I shot that rabbit, but I'm going to be really slow because this is a place here where you're liable to see it be another one in the grass. So I might get a chance of a standing unsupported shot. Yes, there's a rabbit running there. Oh, that's him down. And that's why whenever you're going to pick up your quarry in places like this, that's the horses behind me, you have to be really slow. This is the one I just took on the way down. I was stalking down. It should have been round about the back of the head. Yep, just at the base of the neck. Obviously from the angle that would have gone into his brain. Here's a rabbit. I'm on the bipod at the minute. It's 48 metres. You can see it's just on the top of the grass up there. Hopefully the camera's picking him up. So I'm going to give him 1.5 mil dots of old over. That's how to do it. So then, this is me walking up. It's the rabbit. You see me shoot from the bipod. Be a nice slow motion that will, I reckon. Let's see what it's like when I edit it. It should be a nice shot to the head, like so. Beautiful shot placement. That's why he went over. Nice and clean. The rabbits hopping about everywhere up there. Look at this rabbit kneeling through the fence. Dropped him straight over. Edge of the nettles, 2 metres past them. Oh, nailed. Just see if I can stalk to him. That was a nice post here. If I'm really slow, I might get a shot. In fact, there's two. There's one behind him. This one's my zero. Can't shoot him while he's moving. Oh, that's a nice shot. Reaper again, standing unsupported. It's coming on well, my standing unsupported with this rifle. Pleased with it. Let's go and have a look at live. Just kicking at the minute with nerves. There he is, nicely killed. JSB heavy. So let's see where we got him. Standing shot. Just trying to manoeuvre the rifle. Oh yeah, that's a nice shot. I'm happy with that. I've just seen 2 rabbits run, so I'm going to try and stalk to them. I've got the wind in my face out, as long as I keep low I might be alright. Get to that post, give me a solid rest. That's if they're still there. I think I can see a set of ears on top of this pile here, look, of straw, a baby rabbit, right on the top. Got him. Stalk slowly just in case there's any more, because I did see 2. Can't see any now. So the rabbit was on top of this straw here. I got him with a nice rested shot. There he is. The other one runs somewhere in this long grass, but you've got no chance of seeing it in this long grass. Right, I can see a rabbit. I'll put an arrow to it when I edit if I hit it. It's right where the trees join the dark patch over there. So I'm going to give it half a mil dot of old over, standing unsupported. Oh, got him. Oh, this Reaper. Even for someone who's not really that good at standing supported. It's so nicely balanced. It just shoots like a laser, you can see. Little rabbit just popped out. Oh, another lovely shot. About 30 metres. Standing unsupported again. So this is us walking up to that small one. You see me shoot, and there it is. And that was shot from the top of the hill there, as you saw, standing unsupported. That's one. That's only a little one as well. And the other one, I've got to go back up the hill, down the other side of the fence, because it's over the other side of the fence there. Right, I've managed to obviously go up the bank and come down now. It's quite long grass. This all here is brown bit, and all this here is usually a pond, or yeah, a deep puddle, a bit like that over there in the winter. This is where the rabbit was, and I actually walked down there, and there was about 3 or 4 rabbits what was sat in here, which I didn't see. Well, let's see where we've got him. Oh yeah, nice shot. Top of the head, look. Bowled him over. It's another nice one. Let's take this one standing and supported as well. See if I can get the barrel clear. So here we are, back where I shot them from, and you can see here in front of me is obviously the wood and the leaves, and I was basically had my hand like this, so not really a support, shooting that way. And obviously now back here we've got the Reaper and the 2-shot rabbits. So the Reaper is definitely calling a few souls today. There's a close-up then. The Ratworks Reaper, tuned by Phil Crampton at the Ratworks, and 14 rabbits. Okay, so these rabbits aren't going to waste. I brought them to the International Centre Birds of Prey, and they'll be used obviously as food to keep the birds of prey healthy. Well, as you can see me, I've got the International Centre for Birds of Prey behind me, and I've just been in and seen the lady who owns it, a lady called Jemima, really kind lady. I offered her the 14 birds, and she says yeah, it's great because they've got some goshawks who really like natural food, as in rabbit, but what she didn't realise is I was giving them for free, and when she asked how much I wanted for them, I says no, they're for free. Obviously they're for you to give to the birds, rather than, you know, them be wasted in any other way, because I've got enough in my freezer, and I know a lot of my friends have. And she was over the moon, giving me a big hug and says I can come anytime I want, and she's actually now give me a ticket here which says multiple ticket, and it's for my wife, and she says when you come in here you can hand it to the lady, one of her staff, and then ask her to give it back, and she says you can keep this and you can come as many times as you want. So just out of a bit of kindness, I've managed to get a multiple ticket now, and I do like birds of prey, so I'll be coming up here quite a few times with the wife, and hopefully next time I drop off a few rabbits I'll do a bit more filming, and we'll see some of the birds eating the rabbits we've shot. Well folks, that's it for this episode of Vermin Hunters TV. Hope you've enjoyed it. In front of me here I've got 14 rabbits what I managed to pick up. I think there's about another 2 or 3 what hit in the nettles and I just couldn't find. I did look, but 3 ones for the fox I suppose, and there is quite a few foxes on this mission. So, as you saw, footage from the GoPro, and hopefully when I edit it you'll be able to make out. If not, I'll put some fingers and some arrows pointing to what I'm actually shooting at, and then hopefully it'll bring you your eye to the area where I'm shooting. As you can see, the Reaper did itself proud again today. Absolute tack driver, and as I said a little earlier on, it's by far the most accurate rifle that I own. I do have an HW100, as I said, and which is an absolutely outstanding rifle, and I'm not taking anything away from the HW100, but this one here just pips it. It's not only the accuracy you get from it, it's also the balance and the weight. It's just fantastic. And as you can see, rabbit hit cleanly, standing unsupported from fence posts and also from the bipod. So hopefully when I edit it, it'll look nice. So from me and Davy, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please look at other videos. Earlier on yesterday, I put up the near and far calibration, and it's the near and far calibration what I've been using today with this rifle to hit these rabbits. Obviously I couldn't have the scope cap on because of the GoPro camera, but I had all the ranges on the scope cap in my pocket here, so I'll pop that back on now so I don't lose it. But as you can see, if you do the near and far, as I've explained in the other video, and you get the data, it's just absolutely smack on. It's a bit windy now, which is the reason why I'm packing in. I got to 1 mil dot of wind, and I'm quite happy with 1 mil dot, but when you start to get 2-3 mil dots of wind, it's not worth taking the risk of wounding. So I've called it a day, and I'm happy with the 14 I've got. Stay tuned, stay safe, and see you soon.